So hey guys, welcome to my channel. And many subscribers are asking about my joining date and when I am going to join my bank. So this video is all about that topic. So guys, I have not received any kind of mail from my bank, and in Bihar no one has received any kind of mails from their respective banks. So I am one of those person who has not received any type of mail. So whenever I get any mail from my bank, I will let you know guys. And uh, little I am feeling little bit nervous because this is a very new challenge for me, and I have always prepared for men I have always prepared for clerk examination, and this is something that God has given me in bonus, which is the post of probationary officer, and I respect this job. And many comments are coming that you are going to regret in future that you have wasted your 8 years in preparing for banking examination, because there is much work pressure in banks, and you are going to regret. So I want to clear one thing to those guys, that I am not going to regret anything, and I am going to enjoy my job, because we all know that probationary officer get around 45,000 to 50,000, and this is a very huge amount, and we can say that this is a very handsome amount. So if government is paying you around 45,000 to 50,000, so what do you think you are going to pay without working? No, you have to work, you have to give your 100%. And tell me any job where without work you get a payment and get a handsome amount. So no one is going to pay you without work, and your amount depends on type of work you do. So if I get a handsome amount, so I am expected to do much work. So I am ready for that type of pressure and that type of work, because I have given my 8 years in that to get that job, and I am not going to regret anything, and I think I am going to enjoy myself and my job also. And guys, everything has negative and positive sides, so we have to look at always a positive side rather than complaining and saying always that this is negative in these things. And don't do that. Always think about positive things. Always look at positive things, because there are many negativity, there are much negativity in our society, in our family, in our mind. So we have to find only positive things, because negative things make us weak, and positive things make us strong. So we have to decide, we have to decide what we want, strongness or weakness. So stop commenting negative things about banks, because mm, bank is a very good job and very respectable job in our society, and especially in Bihar. So I am getting much respect in society, in family, and in my colleague, and on YouTube also I am getting much support and respect. So I respected that thing, and I'm not going to complain anything in my future. And about my job, I love my job, I love my whatever I do, I love that. So I never ever complain about anything. I always find solution. If I get any problem, I always look for solution, not for always complaints. So guys, uh, hope for the best, and uh, don't think always negative things. So thank you guys, and whenever I get an email I will let you know. So bless me, and I bless you, all of you guys, that soon you will also get a good job in banking sector or whatever sector you want to get a job. So thank you guys, and tell me about my broken English. So this is only for South Indian students, so that they can also relate, they can also understand whatever I say. So South Indian students, this is only for all of you guys, and I love you.